Ebusiafo eno nti no titin sensemi a ekosui da bend to betwa omemo obi bia akwa aba emfamba attention TV so fila titin sensemi a ekosui efia snega abema hu mu aye osi Miss G ma me chira leak ase se kamia se ure ye fi hu efi se kase leak nko ade a for the first place Miss G o sendi WhatsApp audio no between you and Titi edema ukunu nko ade na ebusia efia swasnega se Miss G ono ye first person na oliki WhatsApp audio between ono Miss G and Titi ebusia for fila esnie akosia sparkles ani midin nsem no ebesomo enmunchiremu ba Titi mun sensemi bibia sempie mu a Aisha Mudi yenim se Titi beka sa Aisha Mudi promise oye no nyeni na no timi ye mu bi oje abi enu ntini Aisha Mudi so eden nsem bi abeto abonten ensem no bi ka we ho ana me de besomo e wa attention TV na me ka wo se University Foundation dani de ye osomasne no ene so wasomasne enu ntini wa ye de na ya wo pese ode ma University e de kan de no ho no so koya ye de enfa ma wona woni bi mobro wa na ejanka na ebusia a enhwe ba bia de number na frɛ no na mo twetwe enkomo e wo so 05483029850 05483029885 midi any akosia sparkles mami simape na me fan sem no embeso Abusia for me that say pastor when ya bread twem me mama twa me ho ede baye me de nsem no ehhehya so de amawa titin sensem yi ni di ankasa enesam agete few unim say ba nyoto ni movie acting mu de owom na se sensem bi e ba ya yesi wo bisa leftovers ya nkofo da ya nyum nkofo ka ho asem yi ana ode be kire mu ye friend interview no kire mu say enye se eye onu ankasa no wa hyeda se o dabi o bisa leftover dabi na so ebi mu share bo bia won wandi so se Aisha Mudi share bo se obema misika na so sika no enye ni na ana ebedru ye busia Aisha Mudi so abeyi na no nim se Ghana memu ho ase de obi kan wasem na enye no kra de wo se obeyi wa no kra so obeyi wa no ntino Aisha Mudi ma ya tia sese da bi enye saka na asem net na Titi mom na ye trofo ese ne Ghana fo ye hu ne oka no kra ne hu onka no kra ba wo de ansa na no ye nkotie Aisha Mudi enum asem embracia
if you dey na wo be wo di baba to wo so ya 3000 Ghana they are bill 600 Ghana me Aisha Mudi me cho bi ska plan 600 me dey o tu nyambo no ye dey bill 600 Ghana intini sika na ye ka say ye dey anka ye di be si da ma no e na rev ka say ye fanto me say 3 years
Abusia mi taso e wo Titi ensem eno esodia na ene dia osansu ekiremu ekire yese yebeka ya osisike bi efri the Vice President Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia enchen ebaye na so ansa na sasika no ebeba no na wenya 40k efri the Chief of Staff it is here na this resremu na obesre ye no wona wo disika edi kan edi man no any Chief of Staff for what Ghana memu ha say ono ana disika no e ma na sakra na the Vice President Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia enso edi nisika esanso ebedom no ebusia yankotie bra ono ankasa ekirekire ensemi emu
say on record, say before all of them, I had a call, and the person said he was speaking from the office of the Chief of Staff.
Okay, interesting.
Now, Abisami said me no my mumuana, and I'm saying I say okay. So they sent 40,000 directly into my Momo account.
40,000.
40,000.
And this is different from the Vice President.
No. They were the first people. What you say?
Means yes, yeah.
What you say?
In fact, no
of
when you call from Obi, or see of referee Chief of Staff.
Chief of Staff of
And
office.
officer say would not me
and
I will see high.
And they pay straight into my
Or
account.
send the 40,000.
40,000 to my account. And son,
no, sis, as the canoe for Dane.
for Odibuami, I say chief of staff. Odibuami.
Okay, answer na mampenyin bed change so the 50,000 buy no.
Inti Mitrahokum, and I realize I need to be very careful.
And it is 40k no and so there.
So what trakwan ama trada ubehu say ya tutu amra bebre wokwani so inti ukoto gravel
You need to feel the
whole feel amra wa tutu no ansana ye the gravel no be go so na ye be fi asa fale
I'm interested in we see and opa tress ebi mu wo obi ya what does hold tokro wa ho ebi mu wo tokrum Into who send you on gravel la so mo feel it tokro no no mo ba level ground answer now to me can say okay I can now walk enti semeti wa say yeah eka wo fie
eka
yare nso be bo
adinu wo yare
enti 40k
you are a single parent ukuta nkwada miensa no ma do babia on the threshold of adulthood na ye say wo bua omu no muntu min gina ye e na wo nso na wo ye yarefo yi na nkrofo na sebi omu bua wo kakra enti wonya sika
pressure wo dada
enu na me ka kire.
Let me ask 2 questions and I take a quick break. Rent no enu na dey asem when you na buy.
Fine.
How far with that challenge?
Na buy no. So who say papa no say for 5 years. And I me too me who say so say. Ubo first as can no to rent sa da bia no. After 5 years now why? Until that was why I bought the land.
Okay.
Na say me was asase na say be regional minister isika ba na kakra me tito cement block kakra say 1 year 2 years later I could do something na me nkwada no so now all
so that was the idea.
That was the idea.
Okay.
What you must say enti
me clarity kakra. That was the idea of buying the land. But the question is the challenge of the rent, no. How did you solve it? Has it been solved?
Oh yeah, challenge of the rent, no. I paid 1 year.
Okay.
Say yes, according to government, you know. And no landlord should charge should ask for more than 6 months rent. But you can say until now you can and I meet you 1 year.
Okay.
Until minimum say up to I think next September or so.
This year September.
February way next year say half a quarter. Now ka 6 more months. Just me the landlord no ni nua penhia na on the fie no my no me no kasai.
Okay.
Until he clarified it for me. And I'm say okay. So say at least for the next 6 months dear
you are safe.
Me bet to me ahumi kakra. Ena
ebusiafo na metwa so dia meda so ewotiti ensensem no emu bread ya so no so on trending to be so trendy ana titi fa ho trending ti ono so person trending ana entertainment activists bi ono so ga na memo ha say no and so edin sem bi abeto just say akoye say titi ana sam ajete fio enye se woni ma ana so oni obi anda ana obi oni obi a enhia mpamu da ma nyinsen empiem so ye hwa owomba na nemba no kra no ye hwe first second born ahia onwo na se ye be hwe first born abrante na e kan asem yo o se adia ne papa titi eye ni na achi no ono de on for blame ma titi dabi on twa na chi enka se titi ana eye ne oye dabi eye ne first born eye sa efri se papa no atete ne mawremu e de wako school na wodi wasi baby a ekron dia. Now, how can you watch your father back out say on baby ska ebusia I na bread and ntia se odi ekoto yi Romeo enim tama na owo OKFM yankasa no yankotie bra abrantie yi chire mu dentia odi blame ankasa ema Sam Adetifia dodo no anim no as Titi ne first born.
Titi Bano or you lazy or the most useless son I've ever seen. You know why? No, you know why? Ola, you know why? See, listen, I'm a firstborn. And firstborn say you have a greater responsibilities in life. If you're a firstborn now, agree and that will treat me well, the family become useless. If you're a firstborn and you're not active, the family become useless. It's as firstborn as you are. School, activate the wisdom in you, activate the knowledge in our plan. For you to be able to teach your dad, even though they're who ahead of me. But let me disperse this well. Now, ever income because me were it's about this new old man. They have to also benefit from the money. Yeah. But as useless as you are, you couldn't even advise your dad.
What if you listen?
Listen. Yes, I told you that. Take advantage of your dad want to bond again. You see, it is something that you ought to work on his emotions. Work on him. Already, he has offended you guys by neglecting you. And he has accepted the fact that, okay, I want to bond with my children again. Take advantage of that and work on your dad's emotions. Now, first, the papa to help the family. But you don't look at your dad, sir, or this kind of mokwaji and nama kasi and say, then you two, then you come and sit down and enjoy the food. You are useless. No. I'm telling you, the boy is useless. Let's not blame the father alone. The firstborn is useless.
Yeah, because you can.
Ebusia for my free teachings and seminar me fa in chapter ne ensre kakra. Hey, na we see mo say dan na call me ya me wedding. Na ma fa me best man, make me best man any ma asole mu no. Na wonim embre chichire asole ho no. Ai abrantie bia masem nim so oba ne ne fa be ma na as best man o se oba ma no se ne fa na yonko be ma as best man o busia minimo na so video bia e trend o social media e kire se best man bia o best groom ya pamu ne firi asori dem ma adenti a awa abodwo se ese yenim se ewiase mu a ye wo sisi ano emrante a na se mamu a wabade yo se abodwo se na wo beja aye so when you about say you know be man, you know you're not rolling with a big man, you know. If you not get beer, you're not rolling with a big man, you know. You got to mark. Ebusia, go share brand ye church and away with the one non kasa cross and I ask resema. Hey, na salibe ni a see me wo beer, na se me kwanya asara na meba. Wedding tea, me your groom, and it's not buy, and no wait me up me groom. There's a one baby pa ya front him so sweaty. Huh? You wedding and one share this canon offer groom back up one pebin county. So groom man beg it on the microphone and answer oh father the big time. Everything go show video here and brass see will be a crying at or dream who cry one tear. So
we are at the wedding and this is supposed to be the best man, but they asked him not to go inside the wedding because of his beard. This is within Christian Church of God. Within Christian Church of God in Abia State. It's crazy, like
very crazy. Like seriously. So my guy's birthday, this is the last thing. I was the Papa in the Christian Church for a state back then. It's not even acts of this. I'm surprised that today I came to this place and they started asking me.
I was here for and then me de fella ebesie ai mo bibia mo enesha ai ebusia yeda sepa ye said and da wonya bre e de hwe Attention TV meeting ene akosia sparkles. Keep watching Attention TV.